everybody, we're starting our day here at bdiamondleather. We're going to be doing some pretty rad stuff today. We are in the Violator and making our way down to our shop, where today we're going to be meeting with Matt Zamora. He just did a custom baseball bat that he did for a famous rap star. Then we're probably going to head over to our friend Cam Nelson's place. I hope you guys can hear us. The van's straight piped to where we're going to recondition that seat we talked about in our last video. It's going to be a wild and crazy day, kind of behind the scenes of what we do here at the shop. I'm Byron.
I'm Candace.
Let's get into something rad. Alright, so we just got this custom bat in from our good friend Matt Zamora. He custom painted it up. We'll take it outside as soon as it's all done. And we hand tooled this leather grip for it. And this is going to be, we'll have to talk to Matt about it. I don't know if we're allowed to say who it's for or not, but I think it's going in a video, like a rap video or something like that. So just stitching up this baseball grip. It's looking good.
What it's for, but we got it done for them.
Where can people find you guys to get work done?
Zamora Designs on Instagram if you guys want to get some custom paint done.
So Visual Lab with a Z on Instagram, Visual Lab official.
Okay.
Let us know.
Yeah,
Paint, do anything for you guys.
Yeah, and we'll leave the link in the description below. So it's been a long day today. So far, we've had multiple people come in and see us down here at the shop, but now we are going mobile. We're going on the road.
It's 35 degrees outside. It's going to involve some water, a little bit of scrubbing, elbow grease.
She's going to be getting dirty, guys.
It's going to be rad.
But with that, what we're going to do is we're going to jump in the Violator, our 72 Dodge van, and we are going to cruise over to Cam's house so that we can restore his seat. So it's going to be pretty rad. I'm pretty pumped on this one because his seat is a leather seat in a 55 International truck, and it needs some help. It needs to be restored.
We're here for him.
We are. We're here for him. And we just have to show you guys a little bit of what we do every day down here at the shop. What's going on? It's good seeing you, brother. You too.
Okay, this is our view every day. This is why we love where we live. Okay, here we go. We're getting started on this seat. I love the patina, but this is going to be, that was a car. This is going to be one of my favorite restorations because stuff like this really cleans up nice. So we're starting with some saddle soap. You can buy spray saddle soap. That goes a little faster. I prefer this. So it comes in almost like a waxy form, a moist sponge, and you don't want a lot. Some people really soap it up. I prefer just a little bit, and I'm just going to show you right here in the sun. Instantly, it's smoking because I'm using warm water and it's below freezing, so that's exciting. But when you live as close to the mountains as us, when it's 34 and sunny, it's basically shorts weather. Okay. I'm just going to want to scrub, really get into the grooves. And the patina on this seat is amazing. Okay. You always want to get every surface, front, back, sides, and when you're doing a full restoration, it's all about the details. It's the wow factor. And also it's pretty neat that you can keep something that's sometimes 100 years old or 30 or 40 or 50 years old, original, and just keep it in there and taking care of it. So because this seat's a little bit older, you'll see that it kind of goes back to the same color once it dries. The main thing we're doing here is we're removing any dirt, particles, oils. The saddle soap will help clean it without using harsh chemicals that will damage your leather. So don't be afraid to do these projects at home. But you can see there's going to be some of this. This is called dry rot. This is exactly why you want to put moisturizing conditioner, some type of oil on your leather and take care of it. Because just like our skin, leather will age and lose moisture, and it's going to be rad. I'm going to use Aussie leather conditioner. This is my favorite conditioner. It's more like a Vaseline, so you can really work with it. I'm just going to kind of rub it in. Look at how gorgeous that is. I'll put some right here in the sun so you can see. All right. How great is this? Tell me this isn't satisfying. I love restorations because of this. This is where the elbow grease comes in, because you are scrubbing and swirling and getting it in there. You can see how gorgeous this is. Home stretch, you guys. This is the exciting part. I do have one more step after this. We're going to seal it so it maintains the moisturizer conditioner. So it maintains its moisture with the conditioners. How cool is this patina?
And where can they find the products that you're using?
You can find them on at the link below. You can also find them on our website at bdiamondleather.com. .com. And if you can come zoom in right here. So all of this right here, these would be wrinkles if this was our skin. So what we're going to do is take our moisturizer, our conditioner, and just work it in.
That is looking super rad.
This is why I love, love, love restorations. All right. This is our sealant. Once I've put any kind of conditioning product on our saddles, on our seats, on our boots, you always want to seal it in. This is Vaseline. Again, check our website, www.bdiamondleather.com. That's just kind of our thing. It's going to annoy you because it annoys me. It'll catch on though. Okay, just put this on. A light coat. You can see it's kind of showing up. There's like a pearl white. You don't want to rub this in only because this is a sealant and you will be able to see a tiny bit of a sheen. So you don't want to see your streaks. So we're wiping more than rubbing. Oi, oi. All right, so close. I can't believe how awesome this is. How rad. All right. Also, this is a damp sponge. Same sponge I used to clean with. Of course, rinsed out. That's it. Ding! One restoration down.
Well, let's ask the owner. What do you think? It sucks, right?
Wow, that's amazing.
Don't you think? What do you think?
I think it's amazing. It looks great.
Thank you.
It's been a long day.
It has, and I'm cold and dirty.
So we're back at home. We're finally done for the day. Now we get to take some time on our weekend to actually do something. Don't know what we're going to do.
I'm pretty sure we're going to go cruising tonight. So.
You never know. But it was a fun day. That's just a small clip in the life of bdiamondleather and what we do. Some days it's debauchery, and some days it's work, and some days it's everything in between.
Everything in between, usually.
Okay. So what do they need to do, Candace?
Well, you have to watch a video. Let's start there.
That's a great one to start with.
Tell a friend, share, like it, subscribe, talk to us.
Yeah, that was great.
Thank you.
So we're going to end the video here, but just remember, everything in life is motivation, right? Byron?
Candace.
The Violator. Have a rad day, everybody.
Everything that happens is motivation.
Hey, Candace. What do you do when you see a hot old lady going down the road?
Do you want me to really say it? I won't say it. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay, I'll do it.
Hey, Candace.
Yeah.
What do you do when you see a hot old lady walking down the road?